Throughout the COVID-19 pandemic, Singapore has kept our port open to preserve connectivity with the world and sustain global supply chains. As a global maritime hub, we have also continuously facilitated international crew change to safeguard the well-being of seafarers. Even as we strive to manage current challenges and emerge from the crisis, there is an opportunity for all of us to create a better future for the maritime sector and the world. Singapore will continue to work closely with the IMO, member states, and the industry to advance maritime development through digitalization, innovation, and decarbonization.
Innovation will be at the forefront of Singapore's continued efforts to strategically navigate the future together with our partners and stakeholders. Shipping is critical to global supply chains. To support world trade, shipping's transition to greener fuels must take place in synergy with a global energy transition. An international approach led by the IMO is the most effective in achieving greenhouse gas (GHG) reduction targets from international shipping. To reach the IMO 2050 GHG reduction target, shipping will need a range of innovations and technologies, including alternative low and zero carbon fuels. Maritime Singapore will develop a roadmap towards a low-carbon future and will require considerable innovation and cooperation across all stakeholders in the maritime value chain. Supplementing our human touch with global digitalization efforts, we introduced Digital Oceans to promote common data exchange standards. Through data exchange standardization, Digital Oceans fosters global interoperability to serve as a data bridge among all global supply chain community stakeholders and platforms. Collaboration lies at the heart of Singapore's approach with our partners. Singapore and the IMO jointly organised the Future of Shipping Conference in April 2021, which brought experts together to discuss the opportunities created by new digital solutions. With a vision towards safer and cleaner shipping and for more efficient and resilient supply chains. The IMO and Singapore have jointly introduced NextGen, the one-stop shop for stakeholder collaboration and idea sharing. NextGen aims to facilitate information sharing among stakeholders, identify opportunities and gaps in decarbonization, and build networks and platforms for collaboration. This facilitates an inclusive approach to decarbonization that leaves no one behind.
Shipping is international in nature. No country should be excluded from the developmental and economic benefits that shipping can bring. Through the Singapore IMO Third Country Training Programme, Singapore aims to help countries overcome capacity building challenges so that the international maritime community can move forward together towards a brighter future for shipping.
To provide further support for such capacity building efforts, Singapore launched the Enhanced Technical Cooperation and Training Package for the IMO and its member states. This $5 million package comprises fellowships, scholarships, and covers technical and leadership training and postgraduate studies at the WMU, IMLI and MPA Academy. Singapore also pursues new ways to help fellow countries, such as the recently launched Single Window for Facilitation of Trade (SWIFT) project, where we're working with IMO to help developing countries implement maritime single window systems to streamline port clearance and improve efficiency. Through SWIFT, Singapore hopes to ensure that maritime digitalization is inclusive and that all can enjoy the full benefits of digitalization.
As a global hub port and international maritime centre, Singapore will continue to strive to play our role in the global supply chain. In new frontier areas, Singapore looks forward to continue working with our partners, especially in the areas of digitalization and decarbonisation. We are committed to continue supporting IMO's important work, and we look forward to partnering you in riding the waves of possibility into the future together.